Running a news channel was always a hardworking and expensive task, but in this era of AI, everything is possible. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how you could start your own news channel with the help of AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. For the first one, we have to go ahead and create our own YouTube channel. So go ahead and open your browser, head over to YouTube, and make sure to log in an account using your Google account. After that, go ahead and click this avatar right here and proceed by clicking create a channel. For this one, we have to go ahead and enter our channel name. So I'm just gonna head straight to ChatGPT to create our own YouTube channel name. Well, right here on ChatGPT, we can go ahead and enter this prompt. I'm going to create a news channel. Go ahead and suggest some names for my channel. These are the channel's name that the ChatGPT recommended. Just go ahead and select your preferred option. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna choose Dispatch Daily right here. Just go ahead and copy your name. Go back to your YouTube channel and go ahead and paste it. After adjusting your preferred name, just go ahead and click create account right here. So this is our YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and customize it some more. Go ahead and proceed to this customize channel option. Go ahead and click on it. And it will take us to YouTube Studio. Just go ahead and click on the basic info. And this is basically where we can change our description to make our channel more professional. For the description, let's go back to the ChatGPT and ask some slogan in YouTube description. So for this one, we have to type this prompt. My channel name is Dispatch Daily. Please go ahead and write my YouTube slogan and description. After getting your YouTube description and slogan, just go ahead and copy. After that, let's go back to the YouTube Studio and paste our description right here. Let's just erase the unnecessary things like this one. And we're good to go. Go ahead and click on publish. And that's about it for the basic info. Let's now go to the branding and change our profile, banner image, and video watermark. For this one, we're just gonna use Canva. So just go ahead and open Canva in your browser. After opening Canva and logging in your account, go ahead and click create a design. Browse a little until you find the logo. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, we can go ahead and search some of news logo right here. Well, just go ahead and drag your preferred logo. For this tutorial, we're just gonna use this logo. Go ahead and click on it. And we can go ahead and edit the text. After editing your logo, just go ahead and click on share right here. And let's go ahead and click download. And download once more. And it's gonna download for us in a sec. After downloading, let's go back to our studio. And let's go ahead and upload our channel picture. We can do the same thing for the video watermark. After all of that, the only thing left to do now is upload our image banner. So for the image banner, let's go back to Canva and let's search for YouTube banners. Go ahead and click on it. For this tutorial, we're just gonna use the first one. And we can go ahead and edit the template. After adjusting your banner, just go ahead and click on share, download, and click on download once more. After successfully downloading your banner, go ahead to YouTube Studio and let's go ahead and upload our banner. And that's about it for our YouTube channel. You can now go ahead and click on publish. For our news, we can just go ahead to Google News and we can find a whole bunch of news in here. Go ahead and select your preferred news like this one, and we can just go ahead and copy our news to a Word file. Now that our news is ready, we can just go ahead and create our news presenter. For this one, we're just gonna use this amazing tool called HeyGen. And go ahead and click try HeyGen for free and proceed by creating your account. After that, just go ahead and click on the avatar right here, and you can go ahead and select your preferred avatar. After selecting your preferred avatar, just go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click create video and choose landscape. Let's now go back to our script and we can go ahead and copy our first line. Go back to HeyGen and paste the script right here. After that, just go ahead and change the background color into a green one. After that, we can now go ahead and submit our avatar. Well, after that, we can go ahead and download our avatar right here. But since HeyGen is a paid subscription, we can go ahead and find another ways around it. We can now go ahead and proceed to 11 Labs. Go ahead and create an account. And this is basically where we can paste the rest of our script. So right here is where we can choose our voice. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna choose Matilda, and we can now go back to our script and we can copy the rest of this little by little. Just paste it back right here and go ahead and click on generate. After that, we can now go ahead and download our text-to-speech by clicking on the download button right here, and we will do the same thing for the rest of our script. After that, we are going to lip sync the audio to HeyGen. So to do this, we have entered a Google Collab link right here. And the first thing we have to do is connect our GPU. After connecting your GPU, let's now go ahead to step 1 and click on the play button right here. And click on run anyway. It's gonna take some time to set up your server, so just be patient. After successfully running step 1, go ahead and scroll a little until you find lip sync on your video file. Just go ahead and click the play button. After that, we can now go ahead and click choose file and go ahead and upload the file from HeyGen. After uploading the file, go ahead and scroll down a little until you find the select audio option right here and click on the play button once more. Go ahead and choose your file, and we are going to select our text-to-speech from 11 Labs. So take note that you can only do this at the maximum of 1 minute, so don't upload a text-to-speech longer than 1 minute. After going into step 3, we can now go into step 4, just click on the play button again. So right here we can see that the video is ready. We can just go ahead and download this. And to lip sync the rest of the audio, just go back to step 3, click on the play button, and upload the other file once more. Just do this for the rest of the files and we are good to go. You can go ahead and download your newsroom stock footage from any website, but I just made mine using Canva. Now that we have everything, we have to compile all of them. In this tutorial, we're just gonna use CapCut because CapCut is user friendly. So if you don't know what you're doing, just follow my lead. Insert your newsroom stock footage. And after that, go ahead and insert your music. Adjust it a little and also apply your background. And after that, go ahead and apply your avatar one by one. After applying your avatar one by one, just go ahead and copy paste your background. And for the chroma key, you can just go ahead and click your avatar. Go ahead and click on the cutout right here. Go ahead and click on chroma key. Click this eyedropper icon and go ahead and click the green screen. Turn this slider all the way up, and that's about it. You can do the same thing for the rest of the avatar. You can go ahead and add subtitles by clicking on text and clicking on the auto caption right here. After that, we can just go ahead and adjust our caption. After adjusting everything, just go ahead and export your video.
Upon arrival, the prevalence of overweight and obesity is lower in new immigrants than their native counterparts in the U.S. With longer residency in the U.S., these differences converge over time, followed by higher prevalence among immigrants than native U.S. residents. Results from the Live Well project in the Greater Boston area demonstrate the viability of utilizing a culturally adapted, community-based participatory research (CBPR) approach to reduce weight gain among newly immigrated mother-child dyads. Findings from Live Well demonstrate the viability of utilizing a CBPR approach to address overweight and obesity among immigrant mothers. Given the higher-than-expected prevalence of overweight and obesity among mother-child dyads by more 6 years of U.S. residency and lower maternal participation rates in the intervention, additional research is necessary to identify the optimal intervention length, retention strategies, and approach to jointly support healthy maternal and child weight.
So guys, if this video has been helpful to you, please consider by liking or subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.